Hey friends, this is Atif here. And welcome to the new update on Verasity. Recently, the price end of Verasity broke out this descending triangle, and after that, we had a nice short rally, but the price end got rejected once again by this quite long-term up trend line resistance. That is, by the way, coming from here from the first week of August 2024. We got rejections here, rejection here, and recently you can see that we got few more rejections here, and now the price end is dropped down at this long-term support of $0.0035. You can see that we have tested the support here, and previously it was breaking at the resistance here. And before that, it was also breaking as a support here. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and here you can see that this $0.0035 has been previously breaking as a very strong support here from the month of September 2022 up till the month of October 2022. And now again, it is breaking as a nice support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this previous breakout from this down channel. And we will also want this very massive breakout from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that after the breakout from this wedge, we had a nice short rally, but the price was rejected by this long-term resistance of 1.7 cents. Went very close to this resistance, did not hit this resistance. If I remove this trend line, and you can see that it went very close to this resistance, moved almost up to 1.6 cents, but could not hit this resistance of 1.7 cents and got stuck inside this channel. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for SNT, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade signal, like this trade setup I shared on 6th of December 2024 with my members. And if you scroll it down, then here you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of your Veracity. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it has been moving inside this very big and long-term descending triangle. You can see that we got stable ejections by this downtrend and resistance. And here we had the support. By the way, this was the complete support zone from $0.0023 and goes to $0.0021. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously in the month of December 2022, it had been breaking at a very strong support zone, and it was also breaking at a recent swing low point before the breakout from this very massive falling wedge pattern. This time again for the past several weeks or months, it has been breaking at a nice support, and now finally, we have broken out the resistance of this descending triangle. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this descending triangle. That target is, by the way, here, approximately very close to this long-term resistance point, $0.0095, approximately at $0.0087. And so far, the price end of Veracity has moved up to $0.00815, very close to hit that target. And the target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel at 1.5 or 1.6 cents. And slightly higher than this target, we will have a quite long-term resistance of 1.7 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 1.7 cents has been previously breaking at a very strong support here. Therefore, now after the breakdown, it can be flipped into a very strong resistance for the price line of Veracity. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 9 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.